19 years from America. Answer no pam the 20 America for say the youth movement and omo ekwa so sha ono na ono so the central for say no say ade bakwa motivating no and grandma na the entire grandma and then motivation no ono so chire mu.
What did you gain from her? Can you talk about her?
Yeah, I think she's probably the sole or one of the main reasons why I use my platform the way that I do and why I feel so comfortable speaking out. You know, for those who don't know, she was the first Black person to go to it was then called Seacrest High School. She was chosen to integrate that high school, and she had to deal with a lot of stuff. You know, anytime I think that happened like 6.
No, Coco Goffin, no, say, on one Cassana grandma, the first Black person and a Black student, or Team Echo, a secret high school, and non a Debiano, name Manano, Adawayano, as was motivation at the Emano, and I'm motivating a Duran Yantra, open my English actress, your friend Emma Watson, also enjoy a bra, Nessa Ben Shelton, as well as Bergman, how much abra, all we need to corner. A brand what to court to the chair, Nessa on so a filia, Nessa Emma Watson, as so any open my English magazine editor, your friend Anna Winter, as we now know a filisono. I'm a best I come out joining on Facebook or more an editor so now young chair a Brent American rapper, your friend Mick Mill, na Mick Mill so and there or Sompa rapper no, I want Nanwanda or so to be PMO USOP no or quite a shock of bomb beer, and come and ye Mick Mill no and a room may be very fine and no Edmund Rum Ewo Kenya B stars or more friendly game Bochina or the Kata and a Ebebo no Roma Saran B stars Kenya or national team no and ya touch it down as to Eldua as so for more prepare for a friendly gamer almost on a Kata de Pimson and no and a so far will share or Facebook and a Sompa TV and no and a that's why ye jamo as to Adamana Riyad Mares Nano or so etimi enya ne long term partner what 25 years your friend Airtel award otimi enen eware also Riyad Mahrez age no 32 na ona baba na twempranche na nyame ado said o maware na upiem wo lent na 5-star hotel e wo lent na ho e na ye phone etimi course kama enu ye Riyad Mahrez wako Saudi wakonya sika na badewa so obi ede ade no etimi ede tobi di kwoto na watafretafro kama na eno chinenwe Marcus Rashford na yentwone Arsenal goalkeeper ye friend Aaron Ramsdale obekana no Sunday e wo Emirates ago pramaso watch goalkeeper shane baako o masako pem wo national camp o mo etwe hwa goalkeeper ne chance masa go no crown shane mistake goalkeeper ne Rashford said the ball ne be wo so tie no totals papa sinkreden na Rashford de wo ye dia be enfan shame sa o sa Arsenal de wo ye zuku ana wo zuba o mo Arsenal eno goalkeeper na Arsenal goalkeeper Wama dena famia no pai no Arsenal goalkeeper dia bano na wramu team friend Italy national team Azuriza on say opanyeva Roberto Mancini kwai no Luciano Spalletti and abe take over na enwam ni training ni by wa sha djuma say na so far say new king new law and new law na eba no obetimi at the captain no ama owura wadi 33 years or Bodma Lazio your friend Echiro Mobile or no enobetimi di Italy or national team captain no na ne vice no na assistant na kwadiama PSG goalkeeper your friend Gianluigi Donnarumma no enseme froba ye di emamo na yemram ne antwa o Italy open public prosecutors no so mo investigation editia nkrophobia abra owra your friend Lukaku na mpabo hene ebe pm e Roma no na rival no upem airport wa nkrofo kogiragina cars bi so SS cars no me patron man ba bia no komigina cars no so a nice one enunie obia parking car airport na brofu way e ya ta won tiase e no ma foforo join o Facebook na bi o mu gina cars no so e na so mo bomani akoma adia Lukaku amanya Lukaku ba Roma e na say public prosecutors no e so mu bebiem wo obetwa banka ban be down sa no e na continue be pemo enu ye de pe no chi no say Napoli ni Lazio game ball no Stadio Olimpico no te discriminatory chant bi na almost say one travel risk at the ama Ella Zobobokuno already last season almost air suspended air bandu na so mu rom na twa ba almost cover not for na domu pay almost say 2 games on ba bano mo game our Stadio Olimpico na ba stadium games against Monza and Torino omuntimi ama mehwebi eno e by a Jude Bellingham, Jude Mujata, Jude Bellingham. Now, so far, and upon the 20, so Pemo the Golden Boy, 2023 award now. On that take lead, you know. Now, Rami Pacho wouldn't say, now Alejandro Barden take lead, you know. Now, when I'm not fans, the campaign, as a Aquanosion Sampa, Tim Nawabano, a dear Biape, Yansaka, or see a manager Basbody Edikai, one of Mushasa Somu Twogum. So far, Nipa Twabano, Nipa, 3.1 million and a tomato na so far emu almost tomato etama Jude Bellingham 2.68 million na so far representing 89.1% or that take lead or compare Barcelona nina or just 8.3% na just a man gabel so and no e for Jude Bellingham open the new Bernabeu the outside stadium now young try to omaye also Reverend Jude Bellingham shekwa the celebration of so a celebration me pa chomo ma me outside baby o ma ye na ni picture ne down na bia ye camera me pa chomo nhwara mfa nto me abra o segwa nice one ni celebration na say ya na the new Bernabeu o mo say akwarma santifu ni wo pegafo eso ho ntie so ba o say agige no so ayoyo yo ababa eno e deba ayede emamo na enu Ramos eso bae e boduma Sevilla ni first one otimi ye na Jesus Navas ese on nase ababe hia no Omari United ama wa 2 etimi abae abroman congrats bro acha somoni age esom be aduma na Danny Cavaya eso se men kan cho se busana mubusa no ese abrante Jude Bellingham bana open adaptation on kabibi for so he on Ronaldo bae no Danny Cavaya o mai enu achi no abrante se Ramos bae na o mai na mum since on Real Madrid play bienwa wa ba na adaptation masa watimi anya ne papa esene Jude Bellingham was boy ne de no kwani nyame anim ne oyobi a okoloka room a eye kama ne teammate relationship superb omo bon abaso na o kai sa goalkeeper we no dadma Sevilla ye fe ne Yasin Bono na se so kopem Hilal of Saudi Arabia hono wo na o se ono no ye priority opem de ma Real Madrid a o se no oyomo priority enya sanko no ye se no me koyan kakapa ma ye bisa sa de o se ono AFCON na o baba be bono ene man ye complicated etima Real Madrid se omo emfa ne enko se so mo de ba na se AFCON o be jomo akwa e ba adwene enu ye nsema bono de atudwa ena kepa sa me de maba kepa si Real Madrid just 2 course pe ene man boss team even ba mu nchin friend Thomas Tuchel ene ni team komo na mum se team se Real Madrid afrawa masa ye nwene ho nche ukwa gaga no mkase ye mpa obi ma ene waji wani so ono wase Madrid friend on masa adena ni oso okọ wase owura mo Bernabeu no se o twa mo Bernabeu bia eye visitors dressing room ho no and what was what the Chelsea call 3 wo hwa no atene akọ left no wase atene akọ local ba bia home team no but a pleasure SN all bought diamatima your friend Real Madrid with the new Bernabeu and no ensema Kepa Arrizabalaga esu dia tudwa ya di na Barcelona almost per reporter ever so my rich agreement with Spanish Football Federation esa kwada for Lamine Yamal ya dey say under 17 World Cup e be to November no omuma akwada ni nkobi obetena Barcelona badwuma eso edi ama wo mo na Boyan Kakic won so far they made it next week on be presenting no edina ama reference Deco ni team no oni Deco team no na be adwuma e wo Barcelona adwuma be so be monitor Barcelona players na omoto mo akolon no obe monitor wo mo enu achi no obesa monitor Barcelona nkoda na ombe free La Masia break it through aba Barcelona first team no eni adwuma Boyan Kakic eso eba be Barcelona omo first 4 La Liga games this is omo bono of the 4 different jerseys and abo 4 different colors and in the ko Facebook and on the that's 4 La Liga games omo bono ombo ya we ase lack nim yankwa ha na ase white and lack ni wo yankwa the traditional you know ase lack ni ma na no no do agina na so far 2024-2025 season Barca sha say plan for omo we jersey on be black ni be dominate eso mu pa eno na so for mu eye no Barca the last 3 seasons Barcelona omu just so much bia no ya black ni dominate Barca next season we just na desk screen so o bo ni akoma no na woman yan try another trainer by Munchen and pay omu ye no Zabna structure enu ye Leon Goretzka any Bono sa any buy no second team no place na AD training atwa bibia eso etma kama na Xavi Simons akaso so no language barrier anya de ha no what kasa papa so no otimi eka Catalan otimi ka Dutch otimi ka French or English or ka Spanish na RB Leipzig ko room no German kasa no ko kana kakra eno e de ba ye de bam yanko ni me team no France Ghana hank nya na munkum mo yan twa bia ni me for training hwe a pitch pa ni me team no France omu ye training wo so no enya eno e de ba ye jam edama mo na dem se Manchester United omu e plan so be Anthony na se on se new complainer e finin ex girlfriend or Gabriela e wa banon omu ye se Anthony o betu free squad no no omu aye evaluation ko se ensam na be pa na wie ye eno e de ba na look show premo England national team camper e ya de so no so no rehabilitation look show gusua ono so eyen kakra eno e de na Sergio Reguilon ono so no so far your picture no Manchester Chronom adaya owura your friend Dele Ali enene nama on se bayfo kwa yo so bayfo fie ento kwa no per life dia on Dele Ali na asia omo ebo life kakra ma bibia eso aye fine eno e de ba na yenwram wo a special message owura your friend no eye Sofian Amrabat eso edema United fans no a special message and what about you take kakra.
Hello United fans, Sompa here. I'm very happy to be here. Finally I'm ready and very excited. See you soon. Hello.
No, and some of the tuka ya de amam ojumadi no so na yengwa mo Chelsea ya so mama scout akwa scout to akoda bi ya fa Antonio Nusa obo Edma Club Brugge na eno chinese Club Brugge ebo game against Genk na against SA Gent team no na omoma scout ko hwa akoda we eno ede be de amam na yengwa mi hwa Hakim Ziyech ono so ne recovery no oguso ya ne kakra wo Netherlands o hwe esa no manyina bekoye eso edi amano eno edi dawo na yentwe plan na ye friend Tozi Carvalho obo Ronaldo abaso for Ronaldo Jesse na wodi amano no ese 850 goal set Ronaldo di amano no eye ana edi emano papa na ni agi na ni aso okase na ni nyeya na ono so oboa eno edi ba ye jamon na yentwe Gebra Jesus onso later arrive say one contem na opiemo Brazil omo national camp achese na arrive no eso eye kama ye de emam Gebra Jesus edi no no na bibia so edi dem fine eno ensem eso eno no na enura CBF no owura o president e friend Ednardo Rodriguez any coach Fernando Diniz eso etimi eye speech edma Brazil players no abrom we training na omo kwotena ase a na se omo etiem komo ne no makakra eno edi ba ye de emam ewo eye dwumadi no players na to na Kasper Michael say after OGC needs wa sign 1 year contract Ediama Antelet Bobo Kona or call for new adventure and no Ediama Benfica president ye friend Liu Costa was it Di Maria dear as the dom de man no muntimina ada was say or pass or besa no say or catch him say or babo ball and yes he can be or more office sika mo peno or mun fama no when demanded for even €1 the omu pebiano or mun fa emano and you and sama Liu Costa editu ja ye de emam ene anopai e wo edwumadi no so ensempi na ebrano anya so nemo opium at the head of Premier League referees IFN Howard Webb wabab on tabe chirechim dientia Emma Arsenal Manchester United Kayavet ne penalty no they say over 10 set decision no wabab on tabe chirechima na ebrano eko akomia mo ba no mtenase a ombenya da jagwogro masim prima chirechim ama bia so efa yenyina so ansama do a ye boabo no ena no pai e wo full time dwumadi so no yemfansi e wa ha
wahese wakosho akodi dwa ahodo baskets ma emu provisions ene nyoma ahodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yakasira wo se untimi nchanti e me chance number na so Hey, ya keke. Nemom o the Vodafone cash dia. Uni how cry.
Ya kako bebia.
Say dear. Put me the Vodafone cash. It's your merchant bia or what network bia so. Straight. Direct. Sharp. Enti say water provisions. Fuel. Inro. Iniane. Me say bibia obese wo ye bia no. Vodafone cash ama na ye remember ma o. Ye here obeya de say. Obe dial *110#. Netu ya kako merchant bia ho. E wo network bia so eniya.
Vodafone. Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
The first days of Beat the Odds has concluded. Now that you're settled into the new season, you still have the chance to win. Beat the Odds this season and you could walk away with a grand prize of 250,000 cedis in cash, plus amazing weekly free bet prizes. Enter today. Visit betway.com.gh for more information. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply. Betway, for the love of the game.
Studying abroad can be tough. Top-tier Study Abroad Consult has made it easier for you with a team of 18 years studying and traveling abroad experience. We assist students in pursuing bachelor's, master's, postgraduate, and doctorate programs in US, Canada, UK, Australia, and among others. We provide SAT, IELTS, and TOEFL classes to aid you excel. We can help you get partial or full scholarship to study in the United States and Canada. Locate us at Kumasi Amakum, adjacent Bank of Africa. Call or text us on 0260411 or send us a WhatsApp message +1 646 659 5045. Accra office, Medina Rolling Circle, CC Hagan Plaza Building, opposite Medina Polyclinic. Call us on 020-3592-008. Takrade office, adjacent NK City Fire Service, Ifia Quanta Road, near Fijai School Park. Call us on 059-800-7852. Top tier, just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you ranks to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
21st Clinic, yes, sciatica expert. Sciatica no, o nerves ne wo to ase na fa wo siremu, na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem, wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st Clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magye ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ano ebi ni baby a gise 21st Clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne ma ade ba ko a womu gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ni ade ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho fra 0540311311 0540311311 na 21st Clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert.
Bra na minya Royal Foam mattress no. How bebre na me ko mu. Medam panosweni na atom. Na mechi kase so na me honam nyina ya meya. Na de akume kra ne se. Ya no mo so beda aso ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da aso ape. E na oye me ho ade. Congratulations dear. Me fa no kwa. Asedan koma Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa fi. Oje aware Royal Foam. What man nane relaxation aye de. Awoto so a wunya wo mu ne se. Royal Foam mattress eye papa. Eche yie eye quilted mattress inti. Woda so a ama wona ye foam. Se woto mattress free Royal Foam a. Teche wo free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode e wo 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu. Yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ne carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi. Hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms any sales depots a ewo Ghana fana nyina. Free 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
Introduce Introducing Pick 4 from Game Park Games, the easiest lottery to play and win. Pick 4 numbers from 0 to 9 up to 3 times a day to become one of our daily winners. More moolah, more power. Play online at www.gamepackgames.com or dial *946# to play. Game Park Games is regulated by the National Lottery Authority, not for persons under 18. Play responsibly. Pick 4 from Game Park Games. More moolah, more power.
Alright, ya bobo dina yetimi twaso na de akibia. Ramu kama prayer from Michael Akomia Jemfi Nana Jemfi ewo fidie mana fi Bishop Atlantic Apostles so ane yebe didi nkoma odo na na abo manema etimi adaye prayer amati Ricardo I said yanko on the birthday special yambo so na yamwa na ne mandida yepa etimi emfama ya herfo ni etifo happy birthday nkwenfama Gabriela Donko na meze Gabi o papa ni school fees ene na wo fidie ma na o papa ni papa tinyi na beye penyimpa na ne mandida din parent me fama zo Gabriela Donko happy birthday eramu fama na nyamisha papa na onye wakoma so ade bi ntime fama na ebi nkwan fama onyene ba kwejo kunta na jeze soja no eni so eye oda kunta na ayoda no nyamisha papa no mbwa na onye wakoma so ade ma na bibia endeda ye kama so no ntimi emfa emao na ebi ram fama mia me wo fase Ryan Abdul Aziz na Master Aziz ena miamini aba moda na Fazak zina yoda no Ryan Abdul Aziz happy birthday Ramu fama nyamisha panyi na be pimpa na na mompa na faso na nema endida din say Max eni so yese so na so say nyamisha papa na bibia so no endida yin fama na yoda no nema nko yi kama so no enfama say Max na nema so no entimi endida din ebi nko enfama akosia sefa eni akosia so no ne da zo akosia happy birthday Ramu fama so wo kwaso dina yoda no nyami inshallah na tuye no nende da ye kama so no entimi fama na bi nkwa fama Beatrice Osei Ajeman nenso eyoda from Bankuda de Orlando me say minua ni kiskini di cham Orlando kiskino no di Beatrice Osei Ajeman happy birthday enkwa entimi fama na nyamisha papa la bibia etibia de da ye so ro fama na bi nkwa fama Dr. Papa Smart bebelo so Dr. Papa Smart wow smart na smart
happy birthday smart better men kan
fama no zo doc baby obi anyamisha papa na adwuma pa na abono to aso na bonesa na nema na ndeda ye pa entimi enfama na fi Emmanuela Amankwa na duna fen Ella McBride orwani chemo Amsterdam economic with social studies students no na ejuma obona no edempa zo Ella every fama baby girl na nyamisha na de opibia no emramu kama pen fama na biso nko entimi fama ama face lord baby girl ene yoda sweetheart nyamisha papa na yoda no ne amande da yi kama pen fama na bibia enso nko yi entimi fama zo ama nyamisha pa ebizo kwen fama kobi ne master osebunsu zian konfama na yoda no ne amande da yi kama so no entimi fama di ma ko me mana ba na yentwa jantum mezia na bibia bokọ de
nyame adomahwe ni experience abudia bibia de
na opan wan na no de na bayi
we Pedro Rocha ono ene acting RFEF president, that is the Spanish Federation momo football acting president no abra will be alice issue no koso ba ansa na me koso ma men we she Mabel Efia Tutua okopiem odoma East NDC Women's Organizer no when fee you wish you happy birthday free unya bema se abio or say happy ne ojam wo fanemu Bishop Atapuku almost mo wish you happy birthday nyamisha no ma kwatenten party ni so de beba pa abu na ore screen ni so ene nkomodi de ne bebo so tete because no ma hodo na wofia na the edi kan no Pedro Rocha ene dey screen ni so no na acting president edema the Spanish Football Federation na eneda enumre ana odebetu dwa se oevilda onyina nchen na Monte Tommy entwaso emeye adwuma ne former the Spanish national team ba man side na Monte e ka no wasem no na ya assistant edema oyi enti oye ni gina nchen Monte ni be ya adwuma no na de enti a yesi oye nyina nchen ni nyina na yese we na nkasa wa ye adwuma no for the Spanish women's national team na che achepa na wo hwe Abra Rubelis issue ne baaye no a okoye press conference a Michael Begina ha se bebo press conference ne nsem odi tu bia se on resign china don baby an dwumedi no beto ase ko hwe video nim na wo ever die den etim bi a obo ne nsem edema Rubelis se ne nsem na okaye no se bi ono so ye dey efo so na actually na we na be release statement bi edebe protecting ne ho se nsem ekoso na nya so odi akire bi ana so support se Rubelis enye de wo ye no ono na nkasa de ne dwumedi no koye bo no onye obi a ososo san nyoma ne su bi itimunyini mfa ne ye dey emfa ne film timu ka mo asem ama mo mfa bi ntare entare no ho na eno na Pedro Rocha hu ni se da bi asem no yaka ma na kwa akosi sesesi ane de monche Tommy beto adwuma no so na onu tina nchen na dwum ka a coach that won the World Cup for them has now become the casualty when it comes to such a matter na ane quite confusing kakasa abrabo ise bi esititi no just one player Hemosu bibia kwakofa ma na kofa Rubelis mu nyina so de naba then your most successful coach in the history of Spanish football when it comes to the national team because no national team man that from Satan or no and the be fire or be revive no then just one thing and I'm imagining we a player how would you feel wana we a Hemosu na how would you feel
oh like coach the am is all more cool ni na nonsense mo
na mo dia to dia and omo bold enough to tell Pedro Rocha say so when you coach na fan free on national team no collapse omo nye dey omo ma
na come here no omo call it cab already mama be 15
Abu upon all the World Cup now and the World Cup before issues no one nyina no definitely otimi can be those issues for you to win the World Cup
oh go jama ni ball crowd mo jo ni omo nko na nchen
so I say nko na nchen but he's the reason why you won the World Cup
yes but ono wo hu ze bia ono na ye omo coach oni omo ye adwuma but oni girls in term no enwo ama ye jabi mu kra wechi na di we mu akọ na o ma akọ akọje zo akomia oh ni we nkasa abema na say ni ema nyina
ehunu bi painting abo asere woni ne bedi agwa no yin ni ato nche e bi so anko bemben wo na oni omo ye yesa wi aka hebo so bi wona nke di kan to no ansa na nke beba so prevention is better than cure
and omo yin afio
iti abu omo so mpe ba bi nyina na omo to adwumedie ne so Luciano Spalletti on say picking a captain for one of the most successful national teams in the world is very difficult and very sensitive. It is a pick captain for Argentina. Obu so be any than say, "Hey, massa, the standard we measure you up to, Diego Maradona." See a pick was a captain for the Brazilian national team. They might measure you against players like Cafumo, Yebetima Humani, Repele Chikakra, and they are top players who have come into the team of the Brazilian national team, which will be measured with. Now, when it comes to the Italian national team, when you opt for Ciro Immobile, it raises a lot of questions when it comes to how Albacete handle the situation when it comes to the pressure they Obeba. Obeka say Immobile watch our national team yes, but does it have the character and the charisma to be the leader and the captain of this particular new generation of Italian football expectation also? And Donnarumma, this is a goalkeeper. Every one of the Milan clubs no mutu skabo on say omuade ne skenting every one of my head akopimo Paris Saint-Germain. It personally Lankasa no most of the people in Italy are not so much enthused about Gianluigi Donnarumma, but for Ciro Immobile, the boy from Rome, I will see a kind of Rome one and Jinani bibia or one day Gidi wom kakra de, but the standards now be majana up to obetimiana. Now they are going to measure you against the standards of players like Giuseppe Meazza. They will measure you against the standard of goalkeeper Gianluigi Buffon. Or measure you to the standard of Fabio Cannavaro. They will measure you to the standard of Chiellini. These are players who are consistent enough. And who see what any BB my national team no at a point in time where they were needed. 4 World Cup titles, 2 Euro titles. Recently, Mokoji Euro 2020. The pressure will be on Ciro Immobile. How does he handle it? And in the team, do they have anybody better than Ciro Immobile and Kobiti Mababe captain ana? Me rere mo ana me hwe say na the Jorginho no can fit na na. Na no mun komodie na na yakwatare atreko is Jorginho na nkasa so mun so half Brazilian half Italian. Yes. Ana consistently no mu di 2 years say Ciro Immobile na bo team na hodo na ache e de achen Jorginho no. Kenye sa akono so de. Ba hwemu deep na Francesco Akebi mu na mu we know the background story ma be share no wa. Ubehe Locatelli mu in this setup, Nicolo Barella mo. All of these players, I think this time around, Italy does not have enough grown men and people who are playing at the top in that particular team. That's why I said Jorginho mo presence with team in him. Marco Verratti, they say Okako Pemu or Kata de Kikakui. Quite fit enough, that's more than the national team. He's one person I would have tipped. Some compare the national team captain. But I think say Wahua and the match Immobile say nay. This particular cross no better matuna beti. No the Anan team. Difficult task, especially when there's a lot of expectation for the Italian national team. Omoje World Cup ni bi ache. Omukobo World Cup ni bi kwapu file akwapu ache. Komukobo semi final podium we say Italy akwako yede. Akobo semis. Anfa we saw them say World Cup 2018 kura no muni ho. Then you be hear World Cup omo Nancy so na Italy so hemfa. You hear the check obo anu akope baby ate. Then Euros no ana mu yi omo nim kakra. Finalissima you be Argentina be gifi omo nsem. Now Italy wants to go back to the glory days and the leader of the generation is a striker and he gives us remembrance of what Giuseppe Meazza was doing at some point in time. But you heard him say Ciro Immobile be carry cross no. Now eno na abu you be moving on to Ballon d'Or. O top 5 be yan
Ballon d'Or. Me top 5.
Nominations ne be bane.
Holland. Me yena yonye in order.
And you know that.
And you know that.
Yeah.
Holland. Mbappe. Leo Messi. Vinicius Junior. Na Rodri.
Haaland. Leo Messi. Rodri. Messi. And Vinicius Junior.
And Mbappe.
And say one year ya drink akra.
Sompa Sport.
You didn't come here mu na no. The likely top 5 I benya o Ballon d'Or nim. Listen up Boba. Vinicius Junior. Yedikai. Now Omo GDS said Vinicius Junior had a successful season at Real Madrid last season. He was the main man of the team in terms of goal scoring. Double figures for the first time in his career, goals and assists 20 plus. Consistently. Nipa no decided gives the more no. Na Karim Benzema bebre, na Vinicius Junior. In their quest to make sure somebody compete for the Champions League title, no, Vinicius Junior. In their quest in the Champions League, you know, Vinicius Junior. Then you look at even the national team at some point in time in the World Cup, abra name amu prepare ni no. Then that's when you nesi one also. Vinicius Junior must beat my BB at the the national team. Then we move on and you look at the FIFA Club World Cup I kobo here, Vinicius Junior. Then you look at the Super Cup and then your man in Vinicius Junior. So he has been a key player for this particular Real Madrid side in the year under review in terms of league, Champions League and various competitions, and he deserves to be there. Then Kylian Mbappe for the French national team, Abu Dhabi. I think the Kylian Mbappe showed the reason why he's one of the best players in the world, especially that hat trick in the final. Yes, about tournament ni na area. You call unipo beti magic okay na. Let's ask you Kylian Mbappe. Why energy silver ball at the World Cup? Ne Kylian Mbappe. You call you kopiemu in the league in terms of the number of goals that Kylian Mbappe share. Everything about Paris Saint-Germain winning the league was Kylian Mbappe. Where does he fall short? In the Champions League. But Kylian Mbappe definitely makes the cut because of the France here and Paris Saint-Germain here in the league. When it comes to the Champions League, Dodonaji to me say Paris Saint-Germain were a disappointment in the Champions League. But yes, still, who was their top scorer in the Champions League? It was Kylian Mbappe. So individually, he fits in as their number 4. No mudu to me say, or no, ebetima bono mode. Abu. Now, no Bishop because they the most clutch player or Manchester City team why Rodri. Last season, and this season, yeah, he has proven to be a key player for the side. Let's talk about even the worker for the Spanish national team. A key player, almost signed the position, then the Kobo as a centre back. But consistently, one kasa, one yashe, and he was proving a lot of people wrong. Say, hey, Madrid are more from one side, me overhyped, no. In terms of a midfielder and a defensive midfielder, or appear in most of the games and becomes the best player within the teams, you know. And Rodri has proven for Manchester City in terms of Omoje the treble. And Abu Dhabi, City chilling in the Champions League final. He was there. When it mattered in the FA Cup at some point in time, one should go there. But he was one of the important players within the setup. In the league, there were games at Rodri and the Sevilla, this particular Manchester City team. And he keeps Manchester City taking in this particular aspect. And Abu, as a treble winner, walk up about the quarter final in the national team. And Omuji to me say, oh no, baby Ojinano, hey man, the number of goals he has scored, and he's the PFA player of the year. What the national team Bema Ellen Holland Bella kill because Norway and Ankasano, what kind of achievement did they get in the year under review? Nothing. But with Manchester City, he won the treble. Treble are most of the clubs so made achieve. And he was the leader of the new gen. Now City are Champions League. City Kwakwaji their first Champions League. Most goals scored within the team, it was Ellen Haaland. It won't mean Anthony Sinchen. Then the almighty Lionel Messi. Ono muji 2 years Ballon d'Or no. And a better face, you can see you top 5 now. Now Abu Dhabi, you actually have no doubt about what Messi and Dynedy from the World Cup coming. Edibe PMO Paris Saint-Germain and now at Inter Miami. Inter Miami quite a say a bonus. But for the World Cup, literally everything about Argentina in the World Cup was Lionel Messi.
US born or I know what them near the other park.
Literally every single thing about Argentina national team was Lionel Messi. From good games. More Dane, shooting assist, the World Cup final, you will impact, and even everything in the tournament you could react, not or no, and the best player at the World Cup. Paris Saint-Germain, the year under review, League A, in terms of assist, Lionel Messi was there. Assist came for Paris Saint-Germain that particular season. And you go to the Champions League, assist, then you look at how almost the league, Champions League, but everything about individual performances, the season and the review at Paris Saint-Germain and Argentina national team at the World Cup, the highest stage of every single competition, it was Lionel Messi. Abu Lionel Messi.
Messi never Ballon d'Or.
Messi never Ballon d'Or.
Yes. Messi never Ballon d'Or.
It is clear.
What you bow.
Messi never Ballon d'Or.
Messi never Ballon d'Or.
The World Cup alone, no crab say, oh yes. And Omuji 2 years say Haaland but also second because of the treble.
Mate why? Me da sepa. You best say why?
Mate.
Okay. Dia no ya na kom ya se da no bi call from Lucas Travel Consult maka era chose neo peso ram baby to Canada, USA, UK, France, Greece, Germany, Netherlands, Australia. Zo kwa kosuare okwa ye djuma na wo kwa kotron no mo bo akra ma adisua for no munya scholarship anema. Let da ye kama pa. Etimi e ma na uniske ha ho ni na zo mo de no otonkra ene omo ye hihye ne e bomode e bibia ma wa. Osika ne ye beje a je visa na bansa ntime bacho akwantu mu nseni mu nkomo no Lucas Travel Consult omo na be na ya boa na ma de ye pay ama say no passport, birth certificate, bank statement ni number na ye timi aboa anti form number no 02534 543-2100 534-543-2100 Poma Temagov City Omo Juma is a Ghana yepe marketing manager, sales personnel, receptionist, administrators, shop attendant, house penalty, accountant, and Tifanamano na ni omunin komona yenhweni mbwa na ne mandida dimpe fa mama trends ne ba kope eno na ye daso ya na ye fili ye papa na me pacho ye Royal Foam Ghana na bomode Royal Foam mattress no ababa bebaze oto a eche ye pa tie wo so okọ na so no okọkọ jodi na ebo ama na makoye peda mantu beda na wa fili me konye me ya machie me ya ene ne ma bi an ha wo so okọ na okọkọ jibi nkomo san wachi no ene se wa bo modern automatress no ye san ma osumnye pa ye re chokwa se no bre na wa bo ama na ma dadie ama no ma bo modern ultra modern showroom kese ba e wo mo factory wo asokoye mampon na ezem no mo eben CCC na ramu na kokọ ene ma na wo na so jibi na mo ama na mankoye manti nkunya na pe empa na pe ene sa ne ma ni no mo dia ba na ba be roma e bo ama na makoye da mo njuma panti ye bo modern assistant Ashanti Business Excellence Award no e organize 20th anniversary let them all 247 to the second no ye mo gold award and a 12 Ghana Business and Financial Service Excellence Award no and also ye mo ma award tifanamba no komadi bia ne omundi 0202 271000 0202 Royal Phone rest assured na M1 na man de deep performance na mini bishop entwaso na yewura ma na enye ya na ne man de din ni adia di bishop za bibia she
oh yewura bibia boko
eno baga we ni ebere kakra na
ameye kakra ma na ja ene mpanyfo fienti na na ma be djuma kama ma me hye me djuma di ase na me fa ncha ma obi a ohwe na otie anopai mo da ma tini da so ha nemum Mede Awodapa special birthday wish. Called the Member of Parliament for Doma Central and Minister for Health, Kwaku Ajimamenu, and then birthday. Honorable Kwaku Ajimamenu, Member of Parliament Doma Central, Minister for Health, the greatest politician to have emerged from our shores in Doma Inclu. and its environs. Intino, canteen card my menu, Yankopon Shaw, or Mouse, na now ye be a in na and come na be antin conkai. Ya Kwaku Ajima menu, it's also near sorry. So, honorable, happy birthday. Yankopon Shaw on Tunquanem, and now ye be a in Yan should you manage quickly. I mean, Chepo. Now, my point of departure. Mira. Yasin Bonu Akasa. Or saying Kokoda Real Madrid. It's an Afcon of Babe Danintino. Now, Okwa Enye. Real Madrid goalkeeper pra. Oniwa Lunin Neoho. Omunin is a Lunin is good enough. And for that short period, no be Lusuno for Afcon, a bit more costume. Kweku. Ori Fonsa, no, I heard ye. Yeah, to come I see a synchronize a league am I any above on the diano IEP. But a do national team ya near to train on near the wada could then no creno a year back and they say Afcon it affects these boys. And now yes all the Afcon ba June July so in to top brewa. Into your bedding. Now it's about time we invest. Ubid my ball Afcon in June, July, or East Africa. Ubid my ball South Africa. Ubid me a ball North Africa. Baby and soon talk is in Central and West Africa. But what I say, Matthias, you know there must be a holistic review. Ebe boy, ebe costing Marseille, pa. The other day, the number of African players who could possibly play in the Afcon are Omuwa Marseille. Now, I'm here, Nottingham Forest and so there. That is another big number. Into the conversation on Afcon, any players no. Upe, Juma no mokoye, or Juma, any sikasem. Koku, national team, the Ombe Bobby the Sun Yang. But baby, it's your mokapano, a club side.
Yes.
Until Yensan Rebium, we must have a second look at playing the Afcon in January.
What's the essential?
Yes, Sanche because look, yeah, hand cranny be ni dream move. Okay, this is Kabe Brown in the bush. Yeah, footballers no more on my own referee.
Why is the last time you should know Bob and I'm trying to catch us there? Bunu. Or no, Nan Kaye Pen.
Yeah, Pepe.
No, be mixing it.
No, Mira. Ebe how? Ebe how
we are the June was that what you bad June? I was actually go January.
So, yeah. I know Yami Adoma Sky for Nitima Howard Web bet now. Actually, VAR. Any referees in common would dinner park and so on. And some more videos maybe on Be more Sky Sports on the Michael Owen more. And I know much it's a brilliant initiative. Fans no more stadium no. Yeah, I'm on to the course. In common course between VAR room any referee no park and so on. I know that China. Ye nim kwaku de enti we ne kakra. Yiti kakra wi a meba.
Well, let's move on to a big game between Arsenal and Manchester United. Kai Havertz here, which what looked in the first instance like it could have been a penalty, but with the help of VAR, we saw something that may have told a different story.
Yeah, and I was watching this game and thought to myself, that looks like a penalty kick at full speed as Kai Havertz scores between Wan-Bissaka and Casemiro. Penalty was given, and of course we know that the VAR will always check every penalty situation.
Yeah, OK, well, let's have a listen to this one.
Red last.
Possible penalty.
Wan-Bissaka, 29. Wan-Bissaka trips him. Yeah.
Come around again. So there's nothing from Casemiro, so we're focused on Wan-Bissaka.
The trip on Havertz's leg. Just let him check.
Right, so it's the right foot across from Wan-Bissaka.
I've explained the decision. Let him check to it.
I'm just going to need a few angles, mate. Yeah.
Hey?
So just right foot.
If it's no touch, I'll go and look and change my mind. Okay.
Just there. I don't think there's any contact on that right leg initially, because he takes another step. There's minimal contact on the next one. Have another angle.
I've explained why I think it's
there's no contact
he'll check
on
if he's
the
wrong or
initial one. There's really minimal contact
Wan-Bissaka, in my opinion.
And I think that the attack.
So, I think that's an on-field review. I think there's no foul there for me.
Well, I don't think so, but he will look for me.
Minimal contact.
Yeah, I think the attacker touched the back of the calf of the defender.
Let's get the angles right, please. So if there's another angle that shows a clear gap where there's no contact.
So is this one?
Yep, that's a good angle. And then there's the contact from Havertz as well as he goes through.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Just let him go through the process.
All right, Tails.
Do you want to check the APP just in case he wants to stick?
Wait.
I'm going to be recommending an on-field review, but I'm just going to check the APP first.
Okay, is there any contact?
Just bear with me. So roll that through. Yeah. That's fine, he's onside. Okay. So Tails are going to recommend an on-field review to review the penalty kick.
Okay. Sure.
The APP's clear.
Okay, speak to me what I'm going to see when I get to the screen, please.
What you're going to see is Wan-Bissaka will step across where there's no contact with the right foot. There's minimal contact then from Havertz's left foot as he runs through.
Okay, play it through him here.
Playing it now for you.
Yeah, one more, mate. Right, so he steps and then Wan-Bissaka, Havertz kicks the leg and Wan-Bissaka doesn't make a challenge, yes? That's what I'm seeing now.
That's what I'm seeing as well.
Okay, perfect. So restart, drop ball to the keeper. Thank you.
Confirmed.
Sompa Sports.
No penalty.
Well, in a typical match day situation, near course between referee and VAR room near. And he must do this in a little under a minute or 2 or 3, processing a whole lot of information, including all requests to say video ben I'm saying incoherent.
Yes.
Angle Papa Ben I'm mami. This is a very good initiative for football and for transparency. Yeah, pacho. Yeah, the Aeon-tron.
The Aeon-tron.
Yeah.
Now, see, Bebao. I will know who you.
Oh no, say clear.
So we need.
Yeah. If you video crano, you can say we are penalty.
But I'll pay the
one case one. McAllister red card BOD in that game against Brighton.
I'm on fair number.
What conversation then they cause so? Onana ne Wolves penalty incident no. E dey no mo ka kire no. Ghana na no kwa de eno no ntimi mfamba. Offside ne automated. Offside ne referees no na yo. The automated normal line now. Normal catch. But one incident sir Hoyle on the penalty be no more wrestle. I would want to see there no more kai. Me patch what I say. Okofa de papa no kwa ba. It undermines the transparency drive, but it's a good start. Near any must next time ebe no. Na de difficult no. Ye di biaba. Near who referee anya de it makes the job a lot better. Enra one okofa by na Holland or my Netherlands no. Our biggest rivalry in football, our biggest rivalries with Germany. Na Mubeka 1974 final. About Germany. Omo your neighbors. 1978 final about Argentina. Omo Bobi. Omo lose World Cup final no back to back. 1988 omo European Championship no. Van Basten, Rijkaard, Gullit. Name 1990 World Cup no. Holland and Germany bo match bi. Emma Germany show 1-0. Rijkaard et interview eguru divola so. Omo tam kese ba kono no. Into my Germany and Netherlands and Casano, they have the Dutch rivalry.
Omo no chimimu. Omo kakasa bakwana.
There be Bononi Asante.
Sana omo dia. Na den e ma so omo ntem no kokoyeze ye ni we nka ba anything be omo share attention
pa. Ntokwa ashase.
Oh, okay.
Germany with Hitler conquered a lot of Europe. Bombay, present day Rotterdam.
Okay.
And America say any Arnhem, Vitesse Arnhem.
Yeah.
Arnhem say chrono.
Sompa Sports.
Best if I show for no much chrono. Because I'm much money be because church from them. No moderate flags is in the I am Bombay. After Antoquani see no more pay by.
Oh, okay.
And they reproduce with a lot of them too. So
I saw them.
Yeah, I saw Jimatch and I think we attack that later on.
And all of them is a Antoquani about Munya Faso. Papa. Push them we
will say German Nankas and almost say or Munsu. To no Munum BS. Yeah, and a lot has gone on between the two. And language wise, I think there is difference. Good morning, good morning for Germany for and our Netherlands for near Hut Morhe.
Oh, okay.
So that there's Hut Medak Guten Tag. Good afternoon for Germany. Guten Tag. Hut Medag, good afternoon for the Netherlands. So, Hut Neifen. I mean, it's like this, almost structural differences. But almost 78 final. No, almost Mario Campus come on the form. So, almost fast no money. 20 years later, they in 1998 of France. Dennis Bergkamp at Argentina for Nakumabi and Kaukum. 2014. Omushai semi-final they lost. And that's why Van Aaliano. So let's listen to his video. Now you listen to his video and something strongly comes up. I'm picking the video in his native language and then I'll be able to explain based on your TNT.
Hoe sommige spelers van Argentinië over de scheef gingen en niet bestraft werden, ja, dan denk ik dat het allemaal vooropgezet spel is.
Wat bedoelt u dan?
Ik bedoelde alles mee wat ik zeg.
Dat Messi wereldkampioen moest worden?
Dat denk ik, ja.
En waaruit blijkt dat dan?
Nee, ik heb nu genoeg gezegd. Volgens mij.
Kijkt u wel met een fijn gevoel terug op dat WK?
Gaan jullie altijd door als ik duidelijk aangeef dat het voor mij dat is?
Ja, het is nogal iets om te zeggen, denk ik.
Ja, maar goed, ik ben nog niet voor de camera geweest. En jij stelt de vraag en ik geef antwoord. En ik lieg er nooit om.
Koeman in 4 duels, 3 nederlagen. Wat zegt u dat?
Ben ik hier niet daarvoor. Je bent een valse man. Je bent gewoon...
When you see how Argentina gets the goals and how we get the goals, and how some Argentina players overstep the mark and were not punished, then I think it's all premeditated game. I mean everything I say. That Messi should become world champion. I think so, yes. Clearly. They've not recovered from the 2014 loss in Brazil. And this one similar. And this game was a highly contested game. Not tension on Stripper. Somebody, I think it was Otamendi. No more BB side. A lot of our play. See,
Leandro Paredes.
Exactly.
The call.
The fact that this nation has not won the World Cup still hands them.
And also how?
Sompa. Amuji said they are the best football nation never to have won the World Cup. Now Van Dijk also says so. But you were captain for this man. Now, I hear no can't go back to the video. Okonele Lanza. Baby, your NOS Elstroho. That's the GBC.
Oh, okay.
State broadcaster, no. For them to allow him to say those things on the state broadcaster, a government job. Of course. He's speaking the mind of the nation. They are still hurt.
I mean, what was the issue we are Canada Vangeka? Mr. Simu on the ones what can you win there? But as a quasia, Confusion is as a World Cup. No, my she say in Argentina.
Theory, conspiracy theory. It could be true, it could be false. Maybe Jina may say false.
Oh, okay.
The Dutch did enough to win that game. Where penalty kicks. They have demonstrated before some multi-mission penalty kicks in 2014. So when Timmy and Argentina have won, what I say, but the idea says how much no quarantine the World Cup was premeditated. Me say, or mine baby or Mujina, but you see, let's forgive him. Maybe sorry. Oh, Hannah make catch us LeBron James. So I need tweet be on the Bible thing about say, offer Rich Paul and the Maverick Carter. So I'm call Saudi Arabia. No more 1 year deal. No, na Miss Wa.
Yeah.
Date near saying 25th July.
Yes.
2023. And then date is saying.
And then it's 6.
So a little over a month.
Yeah.
Bosumi Ichikakra. And you know we. Let's watch the video.
Saudi.
Sompa Sports.
I'm never against this. Live Golf Series should have sent a statement to everybody. Live Golf it's all more PIF clubs. My mom who bear 2-3 months. And I said Jeff, ne Mike Babette na Chemu. The Saudi Arabia are starting a basketball franchise. You see. So when this can be man.
LeBron James.
Please, it's the new world order. Either you join or you pass. LeBron James, no. Oh no, no.
I'm Saudi. Mati, me da se pa. Now the and then no chana de that's from ko. Pina ba. Let me say ni me ko na me no pe gizi ni komo. Let it tin kan na ye you cry. Kiti ba di ne. E ma wa pa. Ze ne opi pe fe na Milanti. E me ne ni share baba be din komo na komo ni na be center on the Black Stars of Ghana. You give me everybody on watch now. I said the name is Easier go. Our guys are quaba. don't know what to say. Oh, but Debbie.
Sompa Sports.
All the same, as I say, what was afraid me? I think that my studio with here, let me be frank with you that I've seen studios over 3 decades ago. I think that I'm in love with this studio. You guys are doing a good job. Ever since maybe Kumasi, since yesterday, I've been monitoring you, and I'm proud of you people. Let's keep it up, because comparatively, share. Some of us, but a lot of us lack a lot of things. I don't know whether to say that some of us were not trained. We actually learn on the job. But just like ethically and in terms of journalism, in terms of broadcasting, Sompa, I'm really excited. I'm not surprised that Jeffrey is here, because Jeffrey has been my right-hand man over, a couple of years ago. I can say over 2 decades.
Yes.
And I'm
then there is me shower and all baby didn't come. The Black Stars of Ghana. I mean, the just there from the squad now, 25 and a pin to a female Babeka 24. I mean, at the start, Chris, you think call up, players said, "Yo, my basis here, baby, you room kakra."
No, I think that Osha squad now. For now, it's just like what is going on in our football today. There's so much things happening, because Mutimakata said with the Black Stars is more or less like a building process. You have a new trainer, you have a new coach, maybe also on a technical director before or take over. But yes, still no, he's now in the saddle, also untrainable, or no, our system or ball. It's not about inviting every single player or more time or no depends on the system. That is one thing that most of our local coaches, they lack that thing. It is not about player A, player B, player C. It's about your system.
Oh, okay.
Your system are bono. Ebia Mr. Kwesi ana Yeboa ana Amin ana Lamte oba system a mebono obetumi aboa matumi achieve adamepe. It's not about what the FA will say. Okay. It's not about what the public will say.
Okay.
It depends on my tactical disposition. Into share players I will invite now. Goalkeepers no menyaje. Say your former #1 goalkeeper is back.
Richard
Ofori menyaje pa, because Matumakata is one person that I admire so much. Being a former goalkeeper or chair, the movement, you realize that this is a guy who is very passionate and very, very clinical when it comes to goalkeeping. And I will not be surprised, say, within some 1 or 2, 3 matches, the guy can take over. I'm not saying that #1, but I believe, say, for you know, Nijuma Oya no only.
Oh, okay.
Now, Abdul Manaf, there were Kola yet area back.
Oh, okay.
Yet area back. Nima me, no, sorry. Only could you the same boys I area.
Oh, okay.
They know me, I know them. The way they've started, they were pitch our Kalkudi Park. Almost started here. And the man out there were Kola Yanimno. For goalkeeping there we are okay. The only problem is with the defensive setup.
Yes.
Majority of the key players are not in attendance. The almost buy in India. I think that in life, there is time for everything. You're more with that chance now. Now you have to prove your mettle. The mobile, you can see that it is an opportunity for them to prove their mettle.
Yes.
To be part and parcel of the team, because you see, I know we are going for the AFCON and the World Cup. No, so I be qualifier. No, into such chance you want to remember home more the more proud want to remember no or more banner one yadia so what I say. So I'm very happy about that. Now for the Sunwa, I think that is okay. Yeah. Especially the invitation of the DIU, a lot of people do understand it.
And no crime and cannot maybe after winning and come up bed.
You see, my brother, as a host of this program, you are clinical.
Yes.
You are professional.
Yes.
Ethically, you are good.
Yeah.
And semi here ebi we jejuma ya wakoti ne fia check akra no interest says semi deal be I mean to invite you be juma no.
Yes.
You see, we have to be critical and very analytical.
Okay.
It is not about being passionate or being individualistic. Individualistic nature say ebia mempower some.
Yeah.
Mempower some into a banner say ebia we need team na invite wa
I need to come and say a lot of things about you. You have to be very constructive, not destructive. And that is journalism. And it's journalism. Nobody will say we have ethical values that you have to be fair, balance, and make sure say it's not about your views and opinion. Let them pass their own judgment. You should not come on radio or television and trying to dictate what people should do. No, your job is to put out the issues. They will do their own verification. They will do their own analysis, and then they will interpret it and have their own results. But what radio so now TV so now you want to manipulate, you want to instigate your viewers or listeners. Now it will end us nowhere. The day we all know his track record. And him. The coach now I invited on. He knows that with the club or not, the been a season. The been a season. And here send the pakun with him. Ebia sa platform my the man no. And maybe one man who crap to me and 2 minutes after any CARE, a club will come for him. And most of the players are mobile or mobile match. Ebia some of them, yes, they have clubs. But they have problem when it comes to their tactics and technicality. Coaches no beti match no. Omo match na bia obo some 10-15 minutes no. Obo say, "Abrante me nim so to me born say you. Intime de ne ba obetuma aboame." National team is not like the normal club ayebu. For I think midfielders in there, I think I'm okay. Look, my main can't show. Now yan deputy captain Oniho. Oniho. Into you need the day ono krapo say wapra anka hia no pa anka ono ho am wo gidi say ebia coach no invite the krapo they will not play any major role. But hey, my brother, this is a very crucial match. Psychologically, mentally, we need somebody like the DIU. We need leadership in the team. Into no bar, no fault, no better one crop, no shen collide from within a more full setup. No, I think that is good. All that they need to do is that they must understand themselves, be able to string their passes together, and be able to be very productive. Because for the first time, no, not to make catch yourself, me attackers do minaje. Attackers, I'm telling you, for the first time, because for the first time, attackers, all of them are clinical. You are talking about Williams. Inaki Williams shared the way Obobo. Fine Ghanaians say Kase on Shego. Hey, there's time for everything. He need to be conversant with the terrain. So picture Edibobo ewa Ghana Hena Buchuno. My brother, it's not the same. And then mentally, psychologically, it's not trying to get himself into the mood. It's just like boxing. When you get into the first round, it is just by luck, say, we to me stop in round 1. You need to assess each other. Be able to know who is your opponent. So opponents are longer reach and now shorter reacher. You need to know that person. It also the uppercut and now the punches about. How do you do it? It's the same as football, especially national team. Oh, okay. The pressure is very enormous. In Toba, it was so untouchable. Now we share Jordan. Jordan says will pick it up. Even with all the attacks that is coming from all angles now, the guy still maintains his composure. Now look at this guy from Midiama, Jonathan. He's somebody who was a big soccer player in the past. In Toronto, Ninaino, we see a Debbie Onyakola. He's a very matured guy. No, it's Onyakola. He's a very matured person. Look at his physique. Ocean physique now, Ocean the way Obobo now, Ocean goes a Ocean. I'm telling you, Echnano. If that guy is going to be given not less than 20 minutes, the guy is going to score a goal. Jonathan Soa. Take it from me. Oh, okay. And to squad, they are good. The only problem we have is the defensive setup. But I think that with effective strategy, what you say to me, I could be. For me, I think the Blasters, this is the time I was saying, the Ghana Football Association, the technical team, and the players, they have to revive the hope of Ghanaian football. This is the moment and this is the time. I think for me, I'm predicting massive win because of your striking role. No, for striking. All of them are angry for success. Look, Jordan. Jordan is going to score tomorrow. Oh, okay. The problem with the Black Stars is that is the more for the Ebono. If you have good distributors, people who can provide the strikers with the right passes, give them the right passes at the right time, then they create the half chance, and these strikers can convert the half chance into full chance. But the balls are not coming. Jordan say be our Babu so on a big tribune. But if you have good midfielders who can distribute, who can make sure they will give them the right pass at the right time, they will score. And that is what I'm anticipating tomorrow.
Mate, legend, remember now some good deal come on kakra.
Mate.
Now my the next time I'm no be shialo. They say room boxing.
You will room boxing. The boxing would there here pa.
Sompa Sports.
You say there I'm no message.
You be shabium. And then Mojili say be shabium. And we before this I take leave of you. I just want to comment there. Football supporters of Mwashantu region.
Yes.
I'm super excited. Me born no crapple monitoring the radio station and TV stations in Minaje. And there was a story that came out that nearly took the steam out of all of us. Eka say Ghana Black Stars World Cup qualifier will come and then carry. So that story, they've deleted it, they pulled it down. It is not true. And this is probably was someone's imagination or person which I discourage fans. The fans must be there in their numbers. This is what we have. Is the car? I mean, idea Eddie Magana ebetumi ama u party A and party B and our problems be ebetumi abo. Me mami owuye. On 2 weeks exactly.
Yeah.
My mommy passed away in Accra. I buried her on Wednesday. But I mean, Kumase,
yes,
just because of the Black Stars.
Yes.
This is what will help you to take some pressure. Until your bomb price will be able to me. Now, some parcel there, the person in the say, Mini Jeffrey has started check. Jeffrey has started check. Mina just said, studio, me team already, so I didn't win in a couple sham. If it shall be.
Lay about also Yarisha, dear Lord, ALP can see about Copa. Let me say, and you have been via shop, Mohamed Amin Lamti and your kukura mini din komakra the leyen the dasepa ti mamen corner mini eben eni komo na Carisi Ventures so maswe ye hwese de niam esie tie hwe na irama eben na bibia boko de
boko pa abu
yenkwe simadu
abu medase ewo akonya odi amame na mede enchiapese Africa Renstic ema Ghana fo nyina ene ye nupa ye frɛ no Zahara Mr Zahara G Capsules Zahara Man Capsules ene hindi haba Mr ehon komo ane ye de besomo anopai ene ye dra ye frɛ no Zahara Mr ene Zahara G Capsules ayadu won waso a se bema owo ho na wako wura tokrobo ni mu ati infection bi te se gonorrhea syphilis na ama obema no ehi na ama obema no efon ubo se unama owa na obema no mu bo pe ubo se unum so a enche na jonso esade ojonso ya na osa jonso abra uni diabetes sa oya bema na wo ho na sa wo highway na wo ma bema mesrew me kanfo Zahara Mr ene Zahara G Capsules ene dia maw bema bi so wo ho a enam yare bi te se gonorrhea ama ensansan abegu ne bema no ho ubonse ohwa sometimes most wadwonso wie no so no na insufita afri ne bema mu eba bema mesrew ko herbal shop sisia ko pharmacy shop sisia ko licensed chemical shop sisia uduru ho a o se ye maw Zahara Mr ene Zahara G Capsules utodro na ubehwie Mr no cap keto aseso ubehwie mienu na de topaye no mienu aka ho edura numre so a no wahwie Mr no saa mienu na de topaye no mienu aka ho bema nom toatoa so manum bi nen kasa ne nansa so na obenom de aka no dabi wo de no toatoa so na obenwu se gonorrhea ahye wo so ache enam yare bia etetewo edupa ye frɛ no Zahara Mr ene ni G Capsules ebeyi ni nyina e de free ho ama ho atɔ ya dro we esa ya dro won waso a se oye oba so no wafa enam yare na ma sometimes ensansan atiegu ahemfie no so oba mesrew edura beboawo edura me kanfo e de mawo ebeyi ni nyina e de free ho ene Zahara Mr ene Zahara G Capsules oba bi so wo ho a white anase odepoa tete no hana adwene ama esei ema dodo na obu ha waje atum se yare no ene ma betena me fa ne normal eye ma yare oba mesrew anope me ka chawo se manyintum pe Zahara Mr ene Zahara G Capsules enu ne aduro a onom toatoa so a ebema wa hemfie ho no atwa yopo se de be ya nanaba na nabesa tonkra asa babiem ya aduro we asa ya aduro won waso a ebo oba bia abustu ne libido no oyo oba no watenka wo foma adura ebeboa wo adura me kanfo dia maw ene Zahara Mr ene Zahara G capsules say draw way esa ye draw wan so a say uyo ba sima wo hoi na wanya wo menses o san ke ba 5 days and 7 days no oba bi wo ho a dakro pe na ne menses no atwa oba adura ebetima boa boost to menstrual flow no ama menstrual pains bia unya abra wanya wo menses no ebeyi ni nyina ade afiri ho ama ho atɔ ene Zahara mixture ene Zahara G capsules ya draw way esa ya draw wan so a de bia meka mesi no bra bi wom se immune system pa ene o pedra number 1 immune system booster edro nane Zahara mixture ene Zahara G capsules se osa pa eteteo obu wo ho a osa hana adwene se odi aduane ato nanum obo se ne yam nyina adwan no ondidi yeso no obo se ne yam nyina adwan no adura me kamfo dia ma wa ebeboa ebema osa ne nyina afiri ho ene Zahara mixture ene Zahara G capsules odafo media phone numbers ne betudwa ebia na opeye no ebia ton anase nkomo bi wo ho frɛ yensisi ani ani nkomo 0246 34 83 34 0246 34 83 34 0248 56 93 35 0248 56 93 35 Otherfore ya do so ye adura ye frɛ no hindi haba mixture say draw way aye draw wan so a say odofo wo ho na 3D mmowa no etetewo malaria fever ha wadwene malaria fever ma wunya honka malaria fever eja wotipaye malaria fever ama wonum nyina ato say wodi aduane mpo to wonum adimpo no na adane asam ade amawo odofo adura ebeboa wo adura wodi ye wodru na onum toatoa so a ebeyi malaria fever bia ha wadwene ni nyina afiri ho ene hindi heba mixture obi wo ho so a typhoid fever hana dwene typhoid mo wan teten ama sometimes obo se nipadua ni nyina aye hyehye aya na emprem bebre no obitimi nya adwene bi po se obi mpo ana ato na duro odafo anya aduto yare na wo yare na adura beboa wo adura abeyi typhoid ni nyina afiri ho ene hindi heba mixture esa ya duro won so a se diabetes esitire yale tetewo so odafo diabetes ema unya homka diabetes ema oda untimi na enya sumdie ema ohontaw na jonso na wo jonso diabetes ama wosotia na diabetes ama bonanso ne nyina obose eso nyina so diabetes ama ekuro ebeton ho a na adane amane se ekuro no beko odafo edura ebetima abo regulate sugar level no amonya homka ene hindi heba mixture ko heba shop sisia pharmacy shops sisia licensed chemical shops sisia uduru ho a usu wupe hindi heba mixture odafo omo waduro bia menje unless se onsaka hindi heba mixture if you say anunia dura ebeboa say high blood pressure pa etetew say normal blood pressure eye 120/80 say okocheke wode no na kwa na ekosoro na adanu ayemsisi a adura me kamfo de mawa unum toatoa so a ebetima bo regulate o blood pressure no amoanya homka ama ho atowa aduro ne hindi heba mixture wode ya ne say uto aduro na wonya kwadworo wo ho na obenom no miensa anopa miensa awia miensa anumere odofo num toatoa so na obewu se yale bia etete wo ni nyina ebeboa ama ni nyina afiri ho ya duro esa ya duro won waso a se odofo wo ho na imprem bebre na adwuma wo ye eja ho adwuma edura ebesiesie ni padua no edura usori anopa asa akoto wadwuma so a obetimasi pi agina so akoye wadwuma ene hindi heba mixture ko heba shop sisia ko pharmacy shop sisia ene licensed chemical shop sisia osi ya maw hindi heba mixture odafo yabeko ye memadu no so a ye frɛ no Zahara man capsules say droi aya dro won waso a bema bia ye twetwewo bema bia ye sresrew se wobo adabrijo adura me kamfo ede amaw ene Zahara man say droi aya natural herbs anya memado na niema frafra onoma no wakoma ebo kimkim ni bia anya memado na onoma na oho sese woni bia wodi ya ne se utaduro na obenom no mienu anopa mienu anumre mienu anopa ɔdɔfoɔ nom toatoa so ɛyɛ nubra ane yɛkeka bom ane yɛde ayɛ sɛ adagye a unya utimi papai ntatiam ehu na koma no saa adagye na ne nya ɛde yɛ Zahara man nubra ane yɛkeka bom ane yɛde ayɛ wodi ya ne sɛ obanum ɛdo na toatoa so na obehu sɛ ommerɛ yɛ na wɔyɛ wɔn pɛm a yɛfrɛ wa minute bɛma yɛtwetwe wo ne nyinaa no Zahara man capsules ene wagye nkwa a ɛbɛboa sɛ duro ɛsa yɛ duro wɔn waso a sɛ bɛma pa sisi yale ɛtetew sɛ bɛma sisi yale agye wɔbɔso a untimi no opatena enko ensie ni wɔn pɛm Zahara man capsules aba sɛ ɛbɛboa bɛma bi so wɔ hɔ a o low sperm count ne nkɔmwa no ɛmrɛ bɛma mesrew me kamfo Zahara man capsules ɛna de ama fa yɛ waduro na de nom toatoa so na obehu sɛ mmerɛ yi a wɔyɛ wɔn pɛm a wɔbɔ adabirijo ne nyinaa no ɛbɛfiri hɔ ɔdɔfoɔ mɛsa de yɛ phone numbers na to dwabiem ebia na wopɛyɛ nnuro bi atɔn anaasɛ nkɔmɔ wɔ hɔ anaasɛ nkyerɛkyerɛmu bi wɔ hɔ ɔdɔfoɔ frɛ yɛn sisi a ne ani nkɔmɔ 0246 34 83 34 0246 34 83 34 0248 56 93 35 0248 56 93 35 Otherfore yɛdura yɛfrɛ no Zahara mixture ɛne Zahara G capsules ɛboa boost immune system no ɛsɛ to infection bi ase te sɛ gonorrhea syphilis ɛne yɛdura yɛfrɛ no Zahara man capsules ɛboa mɛma yɛtwetwe wɔ mo ɛfrɛ mo wɔ minute bɛma ɛne yɛdura yɛfrɛ no hindi heba mixture ɛboa ɔdɔfo bi a ɛtiridi muawa no malaria fever ɛha na adwene ɛne typhoid fever ɛne diabetes ɛne high blood pressure yɛnupa yi yɛato apete ɔman mu herbal shop pharmacy shop licensed chemical shop bia ɛwɔ Ghana ha no the photo yɛ nnuro bi nom na obɛyɛ adanseɛ na wakasa charistic modo no ɛyɛ medase abu dasa na yɛ bɛsɛ tia
te medase pre no yɛ ben yɛ ramo kai si veche so ma so ya nupa no na yɛ de abɛbo ama na ma dadin pre timi ara ma za mixture za capsules and afi hindi heba mixture na onye bi bo ɛhye yie pa medam on record ba pɛ yɛ ram na de akibia ato aso de ama
wahwɛ sɛ wakɔ shop akɔdi dwa ahodoɔ basket ma emu provisions ɛne nneɔma ahodoɔ a ɛhia wo paa wadi line mu saa ɛduru so na wokɔtua nso a yɛaka kyerɛ wo sɛ untimi nkyante yɛ mɛkyante namba no so ɛyɛ kɛkɛ na mmom wode Vodafone cash deɛ a wonni haw koraa yɛkakɔ baabia deɛ wotumi de Vodafone cash ɛtua mɛkyante bia ɔwɔ network bia so ɛyɛ straight ɛyɛ direct ɛyɛ sharp enti sɛ wotɔ provisions fuel nnuro nnuane mekyerɛ sɛ biribia wopɛ sɛ woyɛ bia no Vodafone cash ama no ayɛ mmerɛmmerɛmmerɛ ma wo nehia a wobɛyɛ ade sɛ wobɛdale *110# na tua kakɔ mɛkyante bia hɔ ɛwɔ network bia so
Vodafone. Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
That's a long ball into the penalty box right now, and number 7 receives that. He's gone past the defense. This must surely be it. Goal!
With only 50 pesos, you can win 5,000 Ghana cedis weekly in the Betway Tap-In Jackpot. Giwihine. Bet responsibly. Not for persons under the age of 18. This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
Saubetu kwai akusua de ewa manone enda from kra top tier amana ye fo achechefo a ye de omoye adwuma no etutu kwan esua de ewa manone emfi bebre ye betimi aboawo amwa bo degree or masters or postgraduate or doctorate ewa US UK Australia any amama so bebre ye ye nchehwe ma won ma won person won sure sat IELTS ena to fail so person wutu kwan akusua de ewa manone dia empa top tier kumase ye wo amakom Bank of Africa and Temuho. Fred 0260-411-847 and I say +1 646 659 5045. Accra, your Medina, Rolling Circle, Yeni CC Hagan Plaza Building, no, and a Bonrenimu. Medina Polyclinic. Your number, 020-386-9 3592-008. Takrade, yewo NK City Fire Service and Chenghua. If you Kwanta Road no so, ye bang Fijai School Park. Your number is 059-800-7852. Just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you wings to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Esikafo krom wo de yi anana nsia didi hu nkomo yi en wakofa abrofo free abrochira ba besin in terms of FFS ano akwa ma se abrohafo 52 estate construction and ese dan kama sa no e ka no so nya hu bia o 52 estate construction firms nko na esi wo dan se me ka se wo ka champa ti company ni diri en e frɛ 52 estate construction. Oh, I see. Waton sase ene adan amanso ni ho ena wosi adan so ton wosan manage properties na kire se wo pedan ato wo pasase ato anase wo pedwumaku bia amenesi modern houses amwa nya bi ato a mo na unim wo fie kura wasi etimo no se ne bra twam na wo jade ma 52 estate construction fo a that is a design ni nyo fa biemu a mo nyese bi ombu dan nyina guo ba se do besia ye dan modern wan hwe wanka sa wo du fie no wo hura wo hunu wow na wonu mo hefa 52 estate construction e wo Kiseman Gimpa Achimata Road, 0556 72 33 38. And the Kumasenso, page 4 and 12 Road, over 0531 52 57 97. Social media Nyanso, at 52 Estates.
What's so dumb? Ama, I feina wo shisho do.
Oh, medofo pa. Ntawantawa bi wo ne udofo ntemu ana.
Oh, odo somimo.
Odo somimo.
Oh, Jay.
Sompa Sports.
Jumedie ibawa kwemu yawada na jubia. Efri nundu dikosi dumienu. Ewo Sompa 93.1 FM.
Kaise eye odo somimo.
Yareda akradia for fry your friend Big 4 free game pack games no edi where ya akradia ne tuni ni die nya den kra the number ahodwa 930 kosi 9 impressa de biara na beka yenkunum difo ne ho wo betumi atowo abefo nkratwa bia www.gamepackgames.com ana ubebo star 946 hash wo phone so na wo dia man akradia adwumeko eneli apene game pack games akradia yi so wonni mfia du nwɔte a wontimento akradia yi fanyansa to akradia yi Big 4 from Game Pack Games. More mula, more power.
Alright, ya bobo na ye timi anto aso na mo ana mande da ye pa. Timi afama na mo ya kan se boys B. Was obo modena efie akoko no okona okoko jibine bo amane makoye pede manzene bra na pe ana se lesa ye boys B ne be bo ana se timi akabi na mande ye pa. Timi edi amana yi se be wo ne ze nei ze o nkramu sum no mu a akwenya ne dawo timi ye de man so be rom na wa bo modena boys B na kokko no wakwa jibi zanse omo ebo modern a ene ye nuanom na ene bo modern ekunu ntu ye kramoni na kokko kotobi now the kokko ye duane amumra no so edidama na mekoye pretimi ye ma no mo de no ye mfra dro bia emfra ye ntu wi a ebe timi esiesie ni pedua no enya fe na ekwa kwakunya nsusan so bone etimi ara manti akoko no upefu se 1.6 kg 1.4 kg 1.3 1.2 ni na ye bebo ama na makwa edi ama ne se no ena fe na basa no na negiza na pe opo mo mbeto etimi ara ama na fe so de de ma enkraman no ni na no wabo mo de bia ba be ne branches na ye kona wakwa kutu aton ana wetimi agibi no Bantama High Street OC Presby Church bi nyomo Aswansi Market ebi o Santa Roundabout OC Unity Oyo no benyebi and a BBC na simple no orwani chemo poku trading no ewo edum SG Mall Top High Tech OGB ona share body junction no obenyebi nti BBC efi akoko no mepacho fa number ina nkomode bia ne omundi sere bebeboa na on setimi akab 0544 444 453 0544 45453 niamboa na niamande da dimpa so no ntimi emfa ma kama pa American aka the NCA de nhyehyɛ aba na nhyehyɛ omode aba na ze restaurant no the banner the digital audio broadcasting no DAB no yere aba be edwuma Ghana ha and this kanena na o kumase bebi a watwu po tententen aden apesumpreti restaurant no bibia ye digital 2 kran kra na oboshim na di 3.1 a obonza yepie na ama bibibia atutum kama pa so no etimi ere ama mun komo no de ama ne ye denini yezi ne oma bomodi 18 radio stations a ye bomodi na yetimi ere oma ye try no enti kumase ne nkran after no bibibia atutuma enche beba bonten your radio keto a obetimi a charge a solar wo me no so na nche no ombesa aboa ere ba kubia baba yusu no kam ne okese a ero nso betimi yusu no ofietie ba na wakodwama so akwakodibie no DAB no digital audio broadcasting ne NCA for the aba 21st can semenka enfantro se sciatica mun komode omo ana hweso ano sciatica no eno eden obi bebisa ni na nzo obi a watranse a ana ye mame ne papa mo ekodwum no omo transe che obonzo omo to asinti no twetwetwe omo ana rom omo search obibi one hwe yi a debi no o ba bebubu e di also hwe na utu anamo na ohwe na aboama bibia deda yie pa etimi ere ma bia ba kwa yeso ano dia ma no 21st can come na bre na ya boa na tutu na koyera manya no nko yare no fruity so eba besiu na ase no mi aso ano etimi dia okwa yedoso na ya boa ma hyehyɛ na dia ma scan services no omo ebo mo de ye Friday bia to fa ona je massage no ya nwoma ama moja ne die fusa na wada yie no na the machine treatment no kaso more than 15 branches na Ghana bibia omo bo edwuma Kumasi na overseas junction omo be na free radio bo ase cancel cortez call junction be nyomo aka do me market nyomo sunyane nkranza techiman number ni 0249 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 tifre na kan ya ye ho asem ne hwe na ye so ano kama pa emfama na so no gina na so na ye edwuma game park limited zebra na krade de aba no se tienie ya bomode a also ne ya de a e wo so ye papa na we no nidie no ya de a f pa ni na ze numbers no 0 to 9 o we must select the lucky 4 your options be e wo me bo ama so no unyaska ene la jo ma tumti no akrabia no kokotu bi eboa na ne ma dadi impera ma de nya ene ze wenye du mfie du nwotwe na tirie ukra phone na say ukra tablet na o computer o de ene zo be romo o Play Store what download the Game Park Games app no ana be call mo site or www.gameparkgames.com www.gameparkgames.com open and simple so and what is it? Body na mobile phone network be use no Wada star 946 hash star 946 hash network bia you straight to all chese de bebono 1 2 3 4 eba usika bibri ebizu atimi ka se number 3 ebe pm yensen no so no usika bibri draw no ye bezo di nyaska bibri ntini ye twene miensa de di kan e 9 o'clock am no anopa de no na wia no 12 pm na nwuma ni 6 pm de bia no live on Adum TV ntifa room ne amboa na hyehye no enkoye kama so no entimi emfa ema na bibia ende da yeso no entimi emfa ema na madiki aka etimi edi a chose ze ne uyo obi awa amono ne na upese usidan ewo o pass asiato bia ba kope 52 estate construction limited omo ene bre ni etimi abo emfa sika ne mo fa na ne obekwa kodi okoko obeka jozo na over ba kwa maka na pezo chimitu muntimi nya ne hwe baroni 52 estate construction limited di enkoma ebre na abo amane ma deda di imperial amane yisem ze restaurant okokoto plot no say yefu anansi pono half oto ya pe ni amount 20 bucks of smith zeje na fa bo asase na su emeze ye nkomopa this restaurant so no kwat mi twa 50% na de aka no we twa na kakra na abo mane ma koye pe de amoma bojuma enfie no makoma kuduni edan no ombre na ya bomode na ye dada ya renovate ne kama pe de amount form na ma no enkomo bia ne omundi 0556 723 338 0556 723 338 na 0531 525 0531 525 797 and I call 52 estate.com omo didamu a ejuma omo bon on Facebook Instagram TikTok no obehu omo po mo a Kesema Junction Plaza Binyom and a Kumasi page 4 and to Aquino Sono, your Bomodina, Winyom Monaniomo, Edins, so Street of Act Limited Company. Oh, your hair to worker, now pursue Romo Ewa Mononia. A simple, so a doctor, nurse, midwife, lab technician, ye do Rom Canada, UK, Okwa Waka Kuyijuma, Edins Cabibres, Okwa Shasiana, Obesian de Kakra, Usian Diano, or your clinicas and Orchia, you will scare the Bema Babia Bedasono, and Jane Hona Filpizo Kusian de, Ewa Canada, the American in Arena, Yabuana Nema dead in Pretimera, footballers near Bois, Edgy Sports Visa, 8 me Ed Mamontino, O on San Jumati, so a carpenter Tyler, and as a driver, also a farmer, Nampuno, or your plumber, teachers and Okrano, Yemuko Kurana, Unisa, Juma Sonkra, Yebrena, Yabuana Shelo, Akuye Kama Pa, Etmiera Magana, Setanafono, Edube Canada, US, UK, and a fishing state in Edo, common number near 0531 644 217 0531 644 217 and 0531 556 0531 633 556 na 0205 572076 0205 572076 Kumaso Pomo Adalto Masala Chomo Benabrepo Junction Kasua New Market Road no Fidelity Bank ono Obomodena first floor when you mona Yaboa Manema de Dimpa Etimiera ma Yebe Yusu Beltway Golden Booking Code no na weekendi Yebe Dion Yedi Ediomo simple cry www.betway.com.gh when you do feed what you acquire your baby at your 100% back me patro site ono kreke so na do ko akwa kuromo kwa code no de da ho no use no a emfa bi nka ho enyi bi fim utwa 1 Ghana ere kokosi 50 Ghana na yediwa osika no ye be sand the amount me bajo weekend ye be dion e chance ye ne na ramu kira na abo na ne ma de dadi party laga va mi ramu kakra na empefo na ba na mi amini ahyegu ana so na se de tie no yambo kina awozi nyine kabom na ye Ghana for no ye kokota the Black Stars of Ghana chineboa mane ma dadi party pemfo awodo na ene ramu na se de hye ni sitie no itikiti na star 711 VIP 150 Ghana city, VIP rings 70 Ghana, center line 50 Ghana, and a popular stand and see 30 Ghana ni nebwa mane madida din kama pa so etimi ede emawa eromuna bwa mane madadi ti fidioma no ni yewo perfect Jamal Dean Abdullah no na executive assistant Ministry of Youth and Sport and yewo Charles Amufa also na kase Ministry of Youth and Sport and yewo Honorable Bush and so yewo fidioma na mia minipa shegu ayotega and so fidioma na yebo mane ma de din peda me ti mame chance na menim pinfoi and di din koma na emwa na ne man de bisa jamana bibia boko de
ya sorry anopa moje die frusani we monedie asasi the PC na eche say de ma obo ade
sa pepepe
because enya nkwa enye obia na enya akonya na etimi sorry ye ka atiasefo ho a ye wan ho nin etimi movie call around ne de Sompa eche say de ma obo ade esen in nasie nti asida na de ma obo ade
mate Honorable Bush
menia
bibia shey
Damiado
Arabo Simuntem Bob Black Stars kama pa
se wanitua se Black Star bakumasi na ya masompa ni am church tiefo no mo anwo so mbeba aise ya makra na ye
sa pepe
antimedia wachi am na metemedia preko na mako ye de dawro ni ye bo se amanfo Emra Park no mo mehwebo Yewra Mustafa minister papa just the way I obedi ministry no adwuma omo bo edeboa youth no ene Ghana Blaster no I just say was itimi ba ne bebo dawro no nti menya akwanya na was be de kasa preko media me ne say media me stra bush for omo bush yani aye men kumase Sompa aka na omo ba no minim se bebre ba beda kumase ne
yes
nti sa wuti kumase a na wo hwe ama obi ono free central region western region eastern region omo ba be she kumase sports stadium ma na wuti amakom na wuti ba bi ti se Crowfrom Tafo Abrepo Boshay na wa amantama obaba na stadium na ayema me blame obia mesre yenua Ernest obiara nim baabi a ofri so on emeche enti wohwe Nicholas baabi a ofri na wa wohwe Sam Fanti Newtown ene Asafo boys omuwom na obi hu kudos da na se wo bepe kudos ahwe na wa mantama wo beba no na omo free Accra no omo be stadium no
omo be bohoma
so eba saa so a wunya bi nhwe enti menua wada Roma me de mato tickets enra 100
okay
ya mache ama nipa bebre ene me kwa meje bi ama
okay
na omo be frɛ obia wache binum bi omo a omo tima friend now they ama omo free
mate
na mi wie so a me wo t-shirt bi menua for mame t-shirt we so no eno a me che bebre mache more than 100
okay
no actually no any say na tie
okay sika
obush it me funny say ya say leadership by example who ye leader the mama obi say je na what should I say ampa atare nya say ya no ne yeka nti wo de no obia na wahye
me da se pa
na obia hu say atare no ye chiche tikiti no so wonia ofa phone na say ya phone ne kutawa ana say 100 phone wo de just go to star the send your wo credit go phone so na no akọ star 711 hash wo wi a wo say message ne beba amo say wa wo tobi ana wo to ama others ni nyina ba options ni nyina ba utimi to 20 ebom at a go
okay
enti wo to mani pa 20 na wona wo yire ene wo masamo ye 5 a 15 na aka no fra waso mpanyi ne wasori for nipa aka no fa bi che wo mo ombeda wase so we assemblyman so a me ma assemblyman bia free consultation eno me nyi usika to 30 pe wo to 30 na wachicha ma youth na omo wo mpesu aso electoral area na peka afo omo gum na wa ye wo bana na fatare animu se bia honorable adakwa bia me wa adeja eti me pese me yedei me towi na me de ma me nkrofo no mo ba wo do mo bedu na sa do mo kwa o ma na be campaign na ma o se ko dru se o to aba na olusu a honorable bush na America se bra baju sika free me ho
alright
hands down
but me da se pa ma record chance before that we don't be bad jazz o me gazi akwaba
ye nua menua
a hye biem
ye san hye biem am say mema etiefo achi numa ka se eye me ahon ke ka se mabasumpa radio and TV. My platform is a very big platform. And it's a unya ho kwan na the so ye say utimi edi ubu edema your listeners and your viewers. Majina the Honorable Minister for Youth and Sports, Honorable Mustafa Yusuf, the indefatigable minister. Since obey minister no Juma papa no edi no asumyabo sebe ye kano sports renaissance and as a sports revolution. The man is undertaking that in the ministry. He's a man of few words on kasabibri ne kasa kakrebi, but he's a man of action. All he needs is results. Enti wasumaya mayaba eye Kumasi. Kumasi has always been the mecca of football in Ghana. Emre Pemunu Mechrim, the entire eye the mecca of football. Sompa Sports. Intimidamasi.
Mate. Ayo. Na bibiachi.
Nyamiado bibiachi ye. Yede nchia ene free nkran. Ede ebremu ewo Kumasi. Sende menu ya Charles Abufa kan muhu ye na the Ministry of Youth and Sports. Unumunyam for Honorable Mustafa Yusuf. Eda no na ono na de wodi the team aka say yemra na yemeka mo ho ewo asanteman mu na yemwa na Blasters match kesia eba so ewo Kumasi yemmo hu dawru emma Kumasi ene Ghana fu nyina enti say ebre na san du bi Blasters kuru nie ehaya no mo players no kura pese o mu ba ebebo ball no ti yembo do wuru no ne yenkyira mansan say Blasters e ba bebo ball na me ya enti obi owo ekirichiri ene benje nyina amra no mo mbamre support Blasters na enkunimdie ne nyede entimi enkoyi mai Africus ene yeko
Ivory Coast akwantuo wo de wo firi brekum wo fa doma nkuro ho no ma na wasi Ivory Coast wo fa drobo a na wasi Ivory Coast na ye bo Afcon na ye ntumi ankopie mu Ivory Coast in fact Central African Republic for very very stubborn side among Fufi say omo stubborn omeduru Ghana Saturday Kurumuha Saturday eno kire so mani abre omo ye saa de ko share Nigeria ewo Moshid Abiola Stadium ewo Abuja ewo na Black Stars ye ni Nigeria ko ball 1-1 World Cup qualifies omo share Nigeria ewo Nigeria home ansana Nigeria ko show omo ball omo home ewo Angola but ye ko eno omo ni ye ball 1-1 ena omo ba ye kurom ena omo di ka beduru ena omo training okroma ye ne omo ba bebo nyame ya adomo a ochina e wo se yetimi di omo sun kunim se ne ye be ya ye betimi akọ Ivory Coast omo ye group mu World Cup qualifies ye be omo san wo ye group
yes
it is ye tia omo ochina e wo Baba Yara Stadium a omo ba omo ka se Kumasi
Sompa Sports
enuntina Zamalek former president obechira wo say ye ka African football parka uraswa na intimidation wo honom etimi moglusu matcha eye Baba Yara Stadium enti na yesre Asante man Ghana man ene Kumasi man nyina say wo momra na ochina no omomfa omo support MMA Blasters supporters eye number 12 players eye number 11 supporters no me number 12 no omo no mo bema yididi no ayetimi edi nkunim yani Angola oni me be ya adwen se na wo stadium enya supporters ayenya ye ema park ni ye ma en Angola fu bitimi enya draw but already wa supporters ni siye dede na omo be sha akopama no summa na omo boje boys ni so a semenyo nya gold maaye eneno ene boa ya ene yeda so eda first e wo ye group nim ye group no Ghana timi qualify Angola timi qualify Central African Republic timi qualify kopim say Angola ne Madagascar ne bebo ewo Angola obehye no eye de obehye no yenso ne Central African Republic ewo se ye hye no na ye di first ye wo 9 Angola wo 8 Central African Republic was 7 eti group no obi atumi qualify
yes
nti ene yesere Asante man ene Ghana for say the betimi ya me ya qualify no eye supporters no because se supporters no wo Baba Yara Stadium na omo boju omo so na dede no wo park no so a ene be mo madi nkunim Fatah Dauda si Ghana versus Egypt World Cup playoff owura Baba Yara Stadium a omo hu se park na ye ma na ensuo to no enye bibi na ka tro omo so omo nhye South Africa omo nhye Egypt 4-6 supporters no bo omo nhye Egypt 6 Samuel Nkumuni Ajima Badumu ko ball all African games qualify Nigeria for share 3-1 wo be kan ya Ajima Baduni Samuel Nkumani ne ka kire coach so mpese omo ball return match no wo Kumasi Nigeria ba ye show mutu and ye dey qualify for all African games we ekire we say Ghana eba agopama enyemo mu yede na omo gi Ghana football esiwa eye Baba Yara Sports Stadium enti na no panyini bi kan asem kire me wasi Ghana football na ekostati e wo central ho baby na nsuisi ababa ye Asante enti Baba Yara Stadium die yenim die timi ye enu nti na ye dwane ya betoa mu Kumasi say monyi ye nei na mommoa na park no enyema eye 30 Ghana cedis 50 Ghana cedis 70 Ghana cedis 150 Ghana cedis Paul Chino eye 30 Ghana cedis Center line 50 Ghana cedis VIP wins one 70 cedis and a VIP 150 Ghana cedis tender that TV and one is over phone no o phone now no about star 711 hash o enter ebe options ni beba eba baby a person auto na utumi de kɔhwɛ no na watumi ato match we o ba e was on no handbag and eba ono handbag eba eye niema bebre and ebe kɔso after win adena we see shegu
mesaba yawana ye nwa mu kakra ye hwe game no nyambo ye ochna na ye kɔso sɛde to tie ni CTM ministry aso anza na makɔ Mr. Amofo na me ne bibiewie
first of all mamen chiamo mobile jumaden pa because Danny Day ni na if mam with you for updates such as a modern platform a modern more madrin when it has to do with criticism, so no more criticizing in na eka ho and I good you munsem na me tumpon akosum so a edri inti to be honest with you people play a vital role to the development of the sports. It's mame Sompa sports embo mabaso that's na menda mo asene ejuma pa mo ye. And I'm with you for so much your baby beer or mobia because Danny Day na umufidi no is Sompa umuni ho amuni ho madaro maintain and motimi bomo ejuma na koso and the minister so the one munim fire modeba adventure modeba empire modeba nini na or general was or na otie no was pem or the can na juma die ho ma yetimi sheshe niema impuntu bitimi aba. To be honest with you, bano abaina fem ochina ya wada match na be baso ne de abaina ye de se fata ba ya akode ne akade a team ni hia so mbetimi edi nkonum di aba se ne be ya menewo so lokuni nti aye ko Baba Yara Sports Stadium or China, ni betimi anya Yesuluku, ni ajini ni ansani ya befi. Diaka ene yen supporters because ubetimi aye bibia sometimes upie na supporters ne ni ho mo bebo aje so a dampen umora ema umora ne bafom. Intina say usually no say ye ba betwe waso a some of the federations, either they make you play somewhere, baby, in your home, and also make a choice about closed door. Closed door, na punishment, Kessia. And yes, you can. And yes, I will be piena, Ubi any who are all showing him, Ubi any who are all barge also, Ubi any who all show on crime, Ubi any who all bompire mouth, Ubi any who all tonium, stadium no more, and come one football in your football. So Danny Denny na asanteman eye emane broso omoye mane trabe careful because okonne ye den ne ebefia efiefo eje ye tata omoji ye tata so a de ma e chese ye hia bia say support na omode buy in their numbers ohwa mokom ne asokwa end of the picture obons amanfo ginem sensuo mo ewiemo omoginem taa the boys nechi ochina the likes of Kudus will have the opportunity to display in front of the Kumasi crowd. The likes of Enes Nyama and the likes of Iñaki. Iñaki for the first time for the first time Osha Blaster Jesse Abobo I'm a blaster in Africa. Kumasi. It means Ochinano there will be a history written. And we all know so onyanto atena magana na ye wari shimu because the spirits hunhuma ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium sa hunhum no ebetanity to unlock a lot of potential so because me don't name him so onimbobo pa body onimbo ojinem eto atena but ombefie ubefia ye dwaro ye dwaru wi ane akacho sesesi akọ nako ye dwumadi a ye de ache wonsa inti wobakuma asendra ye dware no Baba Yara Sports Stadium esu be bie the potentials no e be bie pono no se na be ya at now obetimi ato amagana that ye de be kasem e be chase na me ya adoma ochina is it Tony Buffo right Tony Buffo first match was at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Owiye impenyifo mo hwe ye ka che so the Ghana flag e call stadium ni na around at that supporters ase. After that me no ni na enim de Tony Buffo timi ye ma Ghana. Yes. It shall say sunsumbi nananom sacrifices ye nananom impiable nananom ebibia ye de chechire akum ase no ɛwɔ hɔ and ɛbɛdan ho edi ɔkyena because this game is a crucial game. Obi feels a Central African Republic there. Say a team there Air Force seven. Says here team Air Force in New Year.
David.
Comoros. Eshe. Yeah, kono. Ni na ni the Comoros there. Then. Saudi Arabia ni Argentina. Minimum say boys no. Omo invest here. Dodo na invest here.
Ako Argentina. We are now fufu abuabo mo.
Maybe a Manchester ni. Young boys. Okay, young boys.
Make I pass Switzerland for no.
It's shocking. That is how football it has become unpredictable. And yet near the football view. Internationally say you know when you look at the new crops of players in the team, averaging between 23 years. Young guys are more potential to even play the Black Stars for 10 to 8 years. Most of them. Osho mu botaye, Osho mu determination. Somebody like an Esnyama, a Mokum boy. When you say first, yeah, Bobo Baba Yara Sports Stadium, Manote, Unya Quenya Crambeshe. But then there, yeah, Cocosheno. Ni adanya me ase so wetimi bi eponorama no amana itimi edru mpempenso wedru at that age
but you get the mesaba na me no wa bewie ma Mr. Mofamra mu kakra na yehwe the over is that to TRCT jama kan bia rerema ne ade a ti nyambo ochena enya aduo no nan gwan oze Ghana fo yine bara ye ba betechi kakra de besoso
yo mini amedase na maka se senior meka mfiase no honorable Mustafa Yusuf small ya ne se ye baba be market Blaster Super Eagles ahya ne ball no yinyina ye hu crowd e ba ye it's unprecedented e bin see that Blasters Angola sabi debia na mini Ortega e kasa asem ne se e crowd no and spectators ne mal go no ba last minute because now the tensions were high, now the atmosphere was charged. But now go mba ebinum kra pa ba omu fi stadium omu du abontiansa na omu ti go enti crowd or spectating plays a big role in matches and as a football games enti ha me matu ni din said the citadel or the mecca of football in Ghana, that is Baba Yara Sports Stadium no yem pai bon say china 4 o'clock park in be ma Kumasi a yebida ma Asantema yebida amayen CCR tisania okay no ticketing no is available. Otwen say last minute ansa na obeto a eya na challenges wo ho. Eye electronic. Say nipa bebre boardroom pem na say omo crowd wo one place a eya na etimi jam. Enti say opese to ticket ni bia ho kwan wo ho nne. Eno ane say obeboard the *711 hash. Na ma prompt no. Say bia auto ama ho a ose self say bia auto ama tisania Ortega kan say hamburger and also beka say others no so no nya ba ko pe na duro you can buy it in multiples of 100 at a time into auto 100 watch ama tisania honorable bush e kan no obetimi ato na wo de ama constituency and as a electoral area CCR no de ehwe kwan ni say echna boys no ebe deliver. They are abiding and for that matter the Ministry of Youth and Sports the assessor yema team no waye BBA. In recent times ENT anything of the sort say na per diem na ENT BB sada ni nyina ye nhyehyɛ pa Ministry of Youth and Sports e de egu akwan mu before omo be fi baby omo bobo beba nyina no na account section na wo ministry no no ma hyehyɛ bibia check say ko bia account mu ni nyina de din enti omo amo de ne say 90 minutes no omo be den omo be deliver enti ebesre ye be ye complimentaries so available to your outfit Sompa radio and TV during the day send your callers and your viewers can have the opportunity to call in and then they can get copies of the tickets.
Mate, me da say. Then, wa gas also na. Enye ne MPJ mu ana.
Fia de. So tie fie ni di Sompa e market ya pa. Tisa Santiman. Oba na be som wa Santiman a unya akatua pa. Kai last time ye match a be boy ye betna table you a be sra Santiman say omo mbra no omo form ani munyam ne omo tumi be support ye. Asantema jitu mu e de omo so beboae edu achi na de kundi bai menim say afi so empenifo ababa betena se e ba be sra Asantema bi say omo mpie embra bontin bebre na omo be support yen cause sia de twem na ya kosi de nsamanfo nyina asɔre ɛde ɔmo honhom ɛna asɔfo nso kɔ asɔre ɛkɔbɔ if ya de twam nso kramufoɔ kramu ne gyina yi ɔmo nyina akɔ de ɔmo mo akɔbɔ fɔm onyankopɔn ala da bi kwan mu gidi sɛ ɔkyena ya wada na mpa ye bi na de amemi di twato ya de sɛ de both asrafoɔ ɛne abanbɔfoɔ ɛne fans a ɛba nkita hodie bebre akɔso ɛma asrafoɔ na aba ho ba sɛ omo be protected lives and properties the omo so be srefi your fans no so omo fa ni giembra emum no mo ban hye ye wo hodo omo ndi so now at the end of the day no enfa nkunim die ni to member because so asre omo say bi kra na echia asrafo ni abambofo ni hu ekwan omo fa so a omo be handle supporters no ensa na ebufu ba enfa nsu so papa enfa mbre yi team no ti ya meka
Mate me da ze pa bio
na guna kwem kama ticket no moto na mom no numbers no e wo form kakra ye best say *711# unya bo wie pe e follow prompt na e be show na wanya ticket *711# phone bi atimi ye the odigi mobile money no credit me ye *711# na ento ticket no say na edi kaka popular stand near 30 cedis. Center line near 50 cedis, VIP wing near 70, and a VIP air 150. Ultimate todo do be out, baby. Tona Fama store boys, no mumra. Chairman Zimbo magazine, Unikofi. Me am about because I'm 200 at each. The boys no be at me ba. Black Stars, Abba. Nemum Kumasi and Master Stadium na Black Stars in Timimo. The be as one mobile na Black Stars at Timabo. Tia Sadi at this ready to monim. Mumra na. O say three enyo da I want to free to be amrana ye de ane Black Stars no in near tree na bibi antimi konkan
Mate merazi ya wa de twato na minja mo kwan na mo kom ni mze mo besan awura mo bo fofo na
minu abebe tega kan sembi so I'm a constituency youth organizer test me say want ase o say handbag no obema de o kokita handbag say youth organizer what test me so am you
you handbag ne de
ya ka handbag is a ba na wo de wo yere na wo de wo girlfriend
bi kiss can't chama for
yes you know and your handbag na che say
you do ba che say atade ne handbag ba
I what the baba
so madam wo fi o
so putting the ko ya re na hu no oh de ya mi tu abufo yo de ah baby I like you lo abusuba bi la fe more than 20 minutes no ọ̀rẹ́ wo ló sọ ọ̀yẹ́ mẹ́jọ sọ àbá bẹ́ẹ̀ yóò hùn náà sáà abusuba lọ fún jà yẹ.
wọ́n ẹnu ti na débi ayé káàkiri àmọ́fọ́ sẹ́ ó tọ́ tẹ́kẹ̀tì náà tọ́ ní ntẹ́m ó tọ́ ní ntẹ́m a ẹ̀nyẹ́ adé a obi ẹbẹ̀ tọ́ ẹ̀dẹ̀ madam akọ because after any Angola match report a yẹn ebi mmea meyọ nkonom eluzu yẹ Wyclef in person ba menga me dem mbo bi adi here you see your cassette to ticket Wyclef fees on emenam oh obeto ticket in last minute no say ticket no ye turn in na nya ade am betimi ama ticket nti madam peso ko hu players Wyclef so anto ticket ena wa unim kumase ne ewo no eto wenum gra ye hwem na we ka say o de kokra ye je na wan fanko nti and now I clear for ni madam eni hobio handbag no say we just yes come but you see one thing I like about Kumasi say Sheboa Kumasi for a show guys or me show boys nipa ba ko to me 2,000 tickets to say na Sika Bush ache no masenya information lawyer Kingsley Nana Bonsu Chitri Minshia South second vice what tickets no do na also was ama me hint so best out more or chiche ena Honorable Frederick Kojo in Kansa yentumi oh yeah assemblyman impatuemu electoral area manso nkwanta ono so ato amane nkrofo a o se odi omu free manso nkwanta edi omo ba tese se na sika ubujedi amanfo free busuntwe magazine fo na menua atasofre omo no sa ubeti na penyi bi ato 1000 some passports 2000 5,000 that is how Ashanti in odo nyamisro ene wo ha ene nya ade asa na ema we ni na wo ha nyame behwe ne nim no ahwe nim ni esun hwe na onti enti this game is a critical game ye here win but the win can only be possible if Asante Man pay in their numbers a better boys nichi. It would encourage the boys because the area of is a Central African Republic on better behavior World Cup qualifiers.
Yeah.
You see, we have to. I just say bro more to the extent say no do so mbeba no more kase mo de mo fa 3.3 goals no. Yempe. Yetiminya 3.3 goals na. Eno enebe ma ya akwanya no ana akwan no to make sure say you be draw and you be pre-win wo mo home. Then they will now be forced to beat Mali. The moment Mali drew with Central African Republic, but Mali is a country we've always been struggling to beat them in our entire life. Even when Black Stars were Black Stars a kuku dam for ejinem. But insane me
Mate
in century Yamin century no be si ochna. Just like how the Angola goal came. But this time I know we are scoring more than one goal. Inti crowd no one goal need our boys in same. That other goals no it was supporters in same. Inti extra mo mumfa goal nimbra. Mumfa goal nimbra. We are near Trisoloku.
Mante obey ba me da city area prefer feminist na so e ba ba be ramuna ya bomode etimi eni omo edin ko ba bo na makoye pere mana Roxy Travel CNK and fractures and opezo ramo US na kokoko bojuma we prep ton se mo ko cha de omo na ye de ram Canada any UK ni health workers no na se factory job e wo baby Ramo Bahamas, a Coco Yejuma, so a driver, a cleaner, and a security personnel near Brena, yet me Ed Wakwaku Ramo, Etimi Abujman, the Yans over form Namano, na on your wedding come footballers and also no, Yaboal and Kimuti teams bimo, UK, na Ukwaku Siadi or China, Canada, Belarus, or Mabwana, yet me scholarship rate me at a month number in 025 777 6730 025 777 6730 na 055 7607 375 Opomo Kumasi Asafo VIP station Ogurium Touch building no benyo mo Accra Kaswa CPOC Methodist Church no obo modern no nyom kan number no 0244 613 237 0244 613 237 yemwa na ne man koye pa entimi emfa emana B-Boss Ghana and Vodafone Ghana can dia boma shisho mo dia bani yeze no pe Samsung smartphone etimi yusua de yane se obo modern na sika no wato ase friend Mercedes ye ma bosome 9 type up no edi robosumi nsia na watwa ne kakrakra edi aba na baba beje enti a simple cra this that rem say yam no call for yusu ache ti ko na kokoje smartphone ni bi yezu urom ewedum swame KNUST Engineering Department Vodafone shop ewo Kumase Vodafone shops ewo Koforidua di Accra Takra de Enkraino Madina ANC Mall East Legon Accra Mall Junction Mall Cantonment na baby ti so su obekona wetimi akwa kuromo kan wasem ya bomodi ama phone bi na bi boss mo head office no ewa denta abui kwan no so e no betimi afred na nkomo bi a oni omadi ni aboa na e de washim 0243 323 148 0243 323 148 avezo no omo pieces agent to Kumasi Accra Takra de Koforidua na yene o mabojuma regional manager no ne number ni efe nyane ne nkasa so nso no wani dwon so obebojuma na 0208 4844141 0208 48441 141 0208
141 yemwa na ne man de ye pa entimi emfama bafu polo zebra na African print no wabɔ de designs out on no edem pa your African print polo shirt, African print golf shirt, African print round neck shirt, African print v-neck shirt buti for no muntu konkoton okwa o gold package here 20 shirt or box mo, silver package 15 shirt and also no el box mo na bronze no 10 shirt gold package no friend no ye deliver the amawa enya de so be twa kapede tifane number no organizations out on say bankers no schools no na teachers association no and so any fan clubs no or bomodin netimi atwa mu design no special one pa ankona te say so yetimi tonkra egib 0249 600789 and a 0599899991 up and I in my kokobin oboase ana santasio oboase kwano so no unya no top tier stadium abroad consult ene warrior GH na Grace ni onimbobo onso no nimrika kwa ana ezawatwa fu ama na tonkwa mo no ye boa ma scholarship fu ana pasha na watu aso akwa kusua de wa masters, postgraduate diploma certificate, doctorate degree program no wo US, Canada, UK, Austria, baby to say Austria, and I feel New Zealand near Patamo Aldona. Yedo ko sat ne chen conform mucha IELTS and any TOEFL no F the man no graduate and a graduate student no e wo maswe your office wa Accra, Medina Royal Circle CCA Gan Plaza, or see Medina Polyclinic. Accra number no 0203 592008 and a Kumasi so na Macomb traffic light no more Bank of Africa 0260411847 and atakra den so no odo wani chemo NK City Fair Service if you ankwanta kwan no mo ben Fija School Park no 0598007852 niamwa na na man ko ye parent me emfama bishop na memre no kraso ne we ya do
ra we dey but name say you Daniel Obinakwa Daniel Obinakwa and birthday so Daniel Obinakwa happy birthday University of Media Arts and Communication GIG titino ewo na osan constituency first vice chairman for NPP Abuakwa South nti minyano Abuakwa North sorry Daniel happy birthday Daniel Obinakwa bon price nyankopon sha na ne oye nyina enye na sikambra obotom ne mfanye party aduma
mate yabze we the end is nyambo china
chane be aduma
nyambo china la ya rabi o membre no ne dia aye ne dia I was a medepem na ya jewu
sana segu bebem you about conso din birthday ne Daniel Ufori edu be our friend Chingi ono na director for places am in PP Youth Wing Ashanti region boy Juma and no birthday no ye fa konya so man
so you take a birthday ni kama
anona jewu no na yawa oda
yeah ndrai ma oda
odi fufu
na fufu na okodi ye ne
edi bangu
fufu na okodi ye ne
mate jewu
na
yamna na so
osirifo nim na wieye o tachiman ni din no on farm sports uni agro ni din de osirifo enim na wieye o techima on fa some passports uni agro
mate ye chiaro pa
chingi birthday na me dance na wo se nyame adom Kumase your boys be no wom ekuku down for NS Miama Nicolas Opoku Asafo Fantino Town Amakom
na Ali du Seru so
ya dia wo mo don no mo de ba no Asafo ne de we come mo
okay
wo se efie ndi wa no se Asapowers elidi Nicolas Opoku don no do maba na kumbe enso de NS Miama don tie stress e mo bi antena fie na okohu NS Miama bi NS Miama bo bi mame na want you man dey na okowini e dey akoma
mate me da se prayer yere man premier ko ye be say about 3 to 4 shootout no so na dey aka ato aso amam ye da mu nyina ase